guy Democrat ini or say LGBTQI plus U10. Don't belittle our
Ebusianfo aha Ghana Sem TV GH. Mesrel like, comment, subscribe. Then on notification also so that anytime you post a video bit say where Usambeka ebi ama wahwe. Na ebusianfo mu ni bibi. Pese mi fa akonya we menda mu nyina ase. Be 2 days ni and I said 3 days ni. And me a video be a introduction ni mono na me ka say baby I make videos no one enye. And that is the reason why we really need to get a studio and move and do better production. After saying that, I received a donation of 2,900 cedis. That's the highest donation I've ever gotten from a single person. And then also that day, I said, "Nipa mi nubi." I said, "Me thousand." But that was the day of biggest donation. That was the day of donations. It's important me that money na say money mo support discourse. Any mo amu share yen so amu send me a kasa personal money. They say no studios carry me personal money cry come. But so be send this kabia na me I ask take say studio ska. Thank you all so much. We've gotten to almost 10,000 Ghana cedis. Almost got to 10,000, and the objective is 25,000 Ghana cedis. 15,000 Ghana cedis more to go. We trust God and we trust you. So boy. Now let's go to the story. Finally, people are beginning to talk. Asofophobia are beginning to talk. Na me there. Me there. Just say fire omono. Eko. Jano shi omo. Jano shi omo nti. I'm more fire. Methodist church pastors, bishops, Methodist church bishops, moya dear. Dear penny. Dear penu and I'm why. Because under Akufo-Addo mukasai. Yeah. You spoke about Akufo-Addo. You said things about Akufo-Addo. You did. About the LGBT kuchumutumu in the same way. Etina ye wonder say aden asema ndi swabeka no ana munkasa. Esa munkasa. Anti Methodist Bishops swabeka say. Kacha Jomama say Jomama. Don't think we are fools. Mamun Jin say ye Jimmy, say ye kwansiafo. That is what Methodist church bishops are telling John Mahama and the NDC. When I yepe. This is what we want. This is what we were asking for. This is it. How hard is that? This Anna, because if I'm promising myself about sign idea no. I feel about catch say any priority. So of our question penny. And that is the only thing. So yes, of our question penny. How would he ever tell you that? How will he ever tell you that? Thanks be to God, say Methodist bishops anya kukudro. I catch a Mahama say. His Excellency John Mahama say, and my name fee say, yen Ghana for ni omu bishops Jimmy for yen Jimmy ye. Wabe kasem ya kire say Akufo-Addo mpese o sign bibi. And I say okay. Say Akufo-Addo on sign the any we nkwanti de you better about eti aba omia. So that we'll see uba obe sign. Afe waba Independence Square. Na mema mi na kwagina ho afifi omo ho anu akofa horse nyina twa photo shoot obi ankasa afi nyama ye mamu esuan so school nso no mu di trumu nsensem akoshem mu ka chenkola no say ye bisa omo say wan na ye be ma wan na ye oba se de enye omo organs ni bima ombehwe but a dream into so ye bear man now dream so ye oba we so ye oba. That is what you were telling the children. Yeah. That's what you're telling the children. And bishops, my idea, they say you train also for Usubemba. You train Archbishop Duncan Williams. You train Reverend Dr. Mahama Kwe. You train Osofo Prophet Kofi Odro. You train Archbishop Ajinasari. You train Prophet Nigel Gezi. You train Prophet Kofi Bedukobi. You train Munina Mubana Mbekasa. Trumumasem no. Mbeka wasem. Yes, sir. Abon fire.
Na onsusu hu nsem a the bon krata no de eba ene na onso ahwe na anope your same intercity commercial shuttle Toyota Voxy no National Road Safety Commission. You see a authority. I don't know how come graphic for a yes a big mistake. Now a authority, National Road Safety Authority. Yes. Etienne, it's almost say kai be a friend of Toyota Voxy no. A man for a day commercial cano. Omachum. Because cano a year the 207 a day. With mini accident 207 bag Ghana. 207 accident ya money aeroplane. Any accident ewo airwork ekuni pattern eka so be share ship ewo poso na nka wawie sana Vox ni kwakoye accident nkoa ni speed ni ade ntie se ohun so mo premium fa anya commercial vehicles BMT ehun asem the bokrata e de aba and no say crude production hit 6-year low and so piak fon so eka ho asem na the bokrata e de aba LBMA comment nations responsible gold sourcing. You yate anti-galamsey fight not the stop guard crackdown Minerals Commission Deputy CEO and also Eka Twyford for so some any other headlines yenko anyway na yenhwem Daily Guide Democrata ini or say LGBTQI plus U10 don't belittle our intelligence Methodist Bishop to government a friend of most Reverend Professor Kwabena Asamoah Jadu ena all catch up by say try no amfa adwene ni agro e mane nya wo say Ghana fo agimi LGBT community ena odi aba ena o say reconstruct terminal 2 not a repurpose lawyer petition Mahama and I see and I hit good fails since we say amone a year trafiguras almost silly $2.8 billion deal ten so there ba Oforiata released from ICE and I say ICE detention. Tiene ka second of that afi man be say won kofi na ontena fi mi nina sem tiene so the bokrata e de ho asem e de aba yento aso na yen konkohwe the bokrata no a e ba adwa so ene the chronicle the bokrata e na no pay ono so aba na obo na mane kama na chronicle chere say hit gold mine asema me kan you say about 2.28 billion and I'm on the traffic gura for and said to me I can now more now 700,000 ounce of gold and I'm also able to the free assassin or as into the bokrate at the aba or say lawyer petition Mahama to suspend terminal 2 Kutuka International Accra Airport the Accra Kutuka Bium it's no AI terminal 2 project also I now lawyer any raising issues including procurement issues now say I did ta and me who picture no pen am say ujafo no or koye procurement wo ko sign no ade adi eno anti no mo yes enye bibia ya yenkwe na yenkonkohwe the bokrata out by the exclusive ono so or say ene there is an issue about the trafigura issue nti or the ho asem so the abane other headlines yento as yenkwenim na yenkonkohwe the Daily Dispatch the bokrata say responsible business practice is often the reason success becomes sustainable. KGL Alex Dade and Okam. There's a KGL group no SCU no say responsible business practice. Say oye adwumayenia and I be adwuma na adwuma wura no ene adwuma no emu ene enipa yi adwuma nyina no ebeye responsible mbegya cutting of conduct ne sane manema ne nyina no enne beboa ama adwuma no ache enye saa de a esen from ape e de hwunhwum paade a wunya ti oye ya na wakoko baabi achenche eno so democrat yi e de aba eno say coming soon towards NDC 2028 presidential slot and in-depth analysis nti eno so Uncle Ben Efson and Peter Ankoma and an apel so say one more beye analysis no nti o say coming soon. There's a Peter Ankoma and Uncle Ben Efson almost say muhenimum na eba emprempre ya Democrat and so ede aba yes IGP so eni and special operations no and almost so no hwasem ode aba asie ho and o see Ghana ranked 11th most polluted country in Africa. Nti yesi e ka amanya eye polluted pa no a e wa bibirem ha nyina no a Ghana etoso eye dubaako. Ghana etoso dubaako polluted. Nti ande de minim se kokompe enom ne saa area setisa no eho ene ya na saa problems no ifi eba pa nti democrat yi esoso aboho amane yento aso na yenko enim na fi yenkohwe the overseer democrat Okechukwu innocent na hotsen mayentonka enti Okechukwu anopay na ebo amane said as finance minister urges bold reform as ED declares convene in Africa. Nti eno so democrat etimi de ho asem no ede aba. Okay, ti ekwatia MP ono so tutubo aboba park so yo yate yenkwe na yenhwe say democrat ahudo ni bi ebaya. The business analyst democrat say piak erezi alarm over declining oil production.
Nfunse brodo ayebu atoti mu no. Sa enkofo bi na omote party na ye frɛ MPP nim na ye frɛ mo adurumeso. A eduru omo so a omo de ahomete 1 2 omo se yate ye ho 1 2 was yate ye ho. Afa the bottom line is be kwoteme party. Ai wo makwoto mo party. Sama wu amoma mani enkama munem. Maybe I said me buy adia me chiri baako ayo ba wagimi.
They are obsessed with MPP. Me, I don't even understand. Matimo party.
Adia me chiri baako ayo ba wagimi. I can tolerate Jimmy from Bema. But Oba, because women are known for nurturing. The Oba and Jimmy, I na a problem, mommy. Atimia ye won fumpi. Akwakwatena radio so se TV so akwatena UTV si yankwa kamienti a MPP nkonko fake no frata matisi ye be lusi 2020 nutrition wa pampa so won funu se de yehu to
Akuya, I don't know. I mean, you know, went to my chain. Who is she?
waka afafrantofo ne ho sankrofo bi na so my friend MPP no makote afafranto no oka ho
minimum opposition party we are so they are against another opposition party. They don't want to come to government. Ready?
what Jimmy sir atam kuraba we ahye de akwakotra UTV e ba be kan kwase yesem to kodu wonum na yese kendo for ata omo extradition no se hwana na amaso no you just have to say something nonsense e so kan kwase yesem na UTV for de beto abonten I when nim no wa pantan say sweet bad ana ma Jimmy sana mo nyina mo ka wo bi ana de bi edi asantefo atem
What Tom in our conscience?
ana ma Jimmy sana what ka wo bi na asantefo say asante na nkasa wono asante hu dey lose respect. What kind of foolishness is that? Abronko ana dokononko ade what tiny and bre and quality asem mu mfuru mu ma ade what tiny asem akoma why you are pantan ese dua ye to talk why ye ka ase ese MPP will lose the election if they don't go and bring Kenofrata what say anwa mo ye ntweme kwanto so say dem di na no pa we no would see me as NDC for amemuo When you can this for 24-hour economy no, I want to me implement no. And what see me to be sana. Yet to grow her, and this is one for first them tabacu and farmer, and so my winning election better na bem. Dear. A kufa in the bush, a tall more manchia, and one come here and the contribution and chia money alanche Martin.
What type of do I have to the friends in 2008?
Was a Uya Bema. Now, one young Power Banyan Safwana Wally Lontisa, woo for Banny fishing what for more, who fishing back hard at them. If you have plans of going anywhere in life, make sure you pick an ambitious woman. And that is what Alanche Martin Lake, and Alanche Martin Cotia Franco, when you were Banyans and ni and you know, when you're Banyans and Yananeti, I'm an end 24. And what dear Cotia Franco. Alanche Martin to ever since I was chinity, and one pimu. From 2007, so was our best time. 1, 2 was my free party. How many times I lunch my tea for the people? I said, no, I got and quasi a party. No, yet to Kromuha 2024 campaign. And we yet the boy and this, no, me say, me uncle for the was someone for Frantona and I'm your man for my broken woman. Because me shed the pound was here. As we are in MPP ni. Now all of a sudden, my pen is so much against MPP now. Ne me ya na shema koma. Na dia ya wa semi nya say, sa kwa siafo we mu nyino mo ya asantefo. Ese no. Yetimi akan ye nua santinia akanni yekan ye nua kanni ama ene yesi ye ma e friend say do not soro honom na ni kurom enantwie ene nipa nanum nsuo no yenta ngana foma gudie nyina ama no na ne nya santinia ntwibu ase akone de oye yi enye emekana mintia yenkone yenkofa ye friend say carɛful emfamrantis ye belusu 20 na da bi mo suma bra ba bi obakɔhwe de fam ho ben Swan you were nim. I know who bassa ye. I said this for me one and one mubuno. No one you were nim sankat and quiet and now. Now we know what's not some was see a TV so near frown. I said Branaba can be no ocean would be a kind of bubu pa. Not for brand pipi as a moo. About your bread the fool, about for time. Or the gen sheared Jimmy for. Or bad Jimmy for, and it's Jimmy at your bed free. What did Simias and another quarter for Franto? And I'm here, was a prat to an assy, and then was I back to NDC, was see a four, more to see a fence running mate to Quadema Lantamati. Why to me and Yan Senian to NDC, and I'm confined to acquire running mate Malantamati, and was see a four chamwa. Or back was see. What did Simia say? A bed na be for what any fear because one rene I dread that with more TV so we argument. Baby be who's word Jimmy or the who for follow what man the destiny academy. A dear time one MPP for a dear time one defense a coup for the near Busia or Modia Yas antiphone mubi. O katatie de ne de namfa na fa fanto for de ne de namfa na can your friend second day upon the ne de namfa a dear. I don't do what says Samosana. Can of rat on automobile wenchia. And then this for also who case, and to come on trying no in absentia. And this for one was who case if you are meeting at a chere, and the member can of rat and to come to mean track and of rat in absentia. Eh, Monsieur Nasaka, Mosana Mona Mosia somewhere for Frantofono. Monsieur Nasaka, much Jimmy Dodo. Much Jimmy Dodo. Mwaka some of them monsa akele mo political career na so madaye na de achi ade sa de bia simi enko because yanko kakakra yanko kan wu MPP so yanko kan wu na nadu na busua so ye fence NDC for my kakra enhye ye botom oba chimifo ufumpi so awiata we de mame nchi bi so akota TV ne so kokan kwase asem ni biem